What if your results with wealth, with money, with abundance were the result of not just your wealth consciousness, but the meaning that you give money? Because money is a highly charged emotional subject. And people who do well with money, they actually manage their emotions around money way better than those who don't have great results with money. So today I'm going to be doing an EFT tapping for you that actually looks at and releases negative meanings that you may have attributed to money and helps you to install new positive meanings that will help you to shift your relationship with money and ultimately shift your results with money. Does that sound good or what? Okay, so let's get into the first part of this video. Before we do the tapping, I want you to think about any negative meaning that you may have given to money. So think about money and think about the meanings that you may have given it. So money means stress, money means struggle, money means anxiety, money means sacrifice, money means hard work, money means evil. And you are going to have your own unique perspective on money. So I want you to focus on the negative meanings that you have given to money. Pause the video right now and just spend a couple of minutes thinking about this particular topic and the meanings that you may have attributed to money. Fantastic. So now we're going to get into the tapping, and I'm not going to hit on every single one that you've identified. So you can either substitute what you've identified into the tapping that I do or add it in, or you can later on, you can do more tapping on what you've specifically identified, because that is going to be the most powerful way to get the best results. And that's the beauty of tapping. It's so simple. You can do it anywhere on anything to be able to clear the blocks that are in your energetic system that are stopping you from getting the results that you want. So the first thing that I want you to do is thinking about those negative meanings that you have given to money. And it's not your fault. It's a result of your history. And think about how true are those meanings to you. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being that is the most true it could possibly be, how true are each of those meanings? Doesn't mean they're really true, but how true are they to you? How true do they feel? Okay, take a note of that number or numbers and write them down if you can. So we'll start by tapping on the side of the hand and just repeat after me. Even though I've given all these negative meanings to money, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I have a lot of negativity around money, I deeply and completely love and accept all of me. Even though I've got all these negative meanings that I've given to money, because of my personal experience, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept who I am and how I feel right now. Okay, tapping through the points, starting with the inside of the eye. Money means stress. Money means anxiety. Money means discomfort. Money means challenge. Money means struggle. Money means pain. Money means frustration. Money means uncertainty. Money means fear. Money means anxiety. Money means stress. Money means overwhelm. Money means frustration. Money means guilt. Money means shame. Money means evil. Money means corruption. Money means scarcity. Money means anxiety. Money means struggle. Money means sadness. Money means not feeling good enough. Money means stress and anxiety. Money means lack and scarcity. Okay, deep breath. Release it. Another deep breath. And release it. Okay, so hopefully I hit on some of the ones that you had identified. Maybe I've actually said ones that you hadn't realized that actually related to you. But as I said, you can go back and do this tapping on anything that you've written down. I want you to now look at the numbers that you wrote down or the numbers that you, on a scale of 0 to 10, that you recognized related to how you feel about the meaning you've given money. What are those numbers now? Now, remember that this is habitual for you. You have developed these meanings and these resulting emotions as a consequence of the life that you have lived, of the story that you gave and have around money, of the beliefs that have been installed in your subconscious. Now, whilst EFT tapping can really help to shake things up and break up the rigidity of the energy and the validity that you have given these beliefs, because a belief is just a thought that you think over and over and over and that you believe is valid. Everything is perception. Everything is a story. Once you change your story, once you shift your perception, everything changes. And this is what we're doing. We're breaking up the rigidity of your attachment to these beliefs. We're breaking up the emotions that you feel so you can now create a different perception and give different meaning to money, because the life is not the way you think it is. And things do not mean what they truly mean. They only have the meaning that you assign to it. So you assign a different meaning, you change your relationship. And you could do this around money, you can do this around your physical, intimate relationships, you can do this around your health, you can do this around your career, you can do this around success. You can use these same principles around everything. Okay, so enough of the pep talk. What we're going to do now is move into a positive tapping round and giving positive meanings to money. And what I want you to do personally, either now, pause the video, or you can do it afterwards, is look at the meanings that you identified that were negative and then go, okay, what's the opposite? What is the opposite of that? And then you tap on that. Also identify what meanings you want to give to money instead that are positive, that will foster a new positive relationship with money. Sound good? Okay, let's just go straight into starting on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. Money means love. Money means freedom. Money means doing what I want when I want. Money means joy. Money means happiness. Money means success. Money means peace. Money means choice. Money means empowerment. Money means peace. Money means relaxation. Money means contentment. Money means liberty. Money means health. Money means love. Money means joy. Money means freedom and liberty. Money means empowerment. Money means doing what I want. Money means living life my way. Money means making a difference. Money means generosity. Money means helping others. Money means laughter. Money means love. Money means joy. Money means making the world a better place. Money means empowerment. Money means kindness and generosity. Money means contribution. Money means making a difference. Money means joy, love, and laughter. Okay, deep breath. And let it out. Deep breath. And release it. Fantastic. How does that feel? I want you to look now at those negative things that you identified in the beginning, and on a scale of 0 to 10, where are they at now? And then writing down the positive ones, or identifying the positive ones. Where are they at now? And just keep doing tappings like this. You know that I have dozens of EFT tappings on my YouTube channel. I will actually share another one at the end of this video for you to go straight to start using to rewire your brain for money, wealth, abundance, and success. And if you would like more help, if you are a conscious entrepreneur who wants to really live life on your terms, then register for my free workshop. It's the Wealth by Design workshop, and I take you through step by step a guide to having an unstoppable mindset, to creating a unique strategic action plan that gets you from where you are to where you want to be financially. All you need to do is click the link that is in the description below and register for that free workshop. If you have enjoyed this, then do me a favor, show me some love, like and subscribe, comment below, let me know how this landed for you, because that helps the algorithm and helps me to reach more people with this incredible technique. And if you want another video, there's another EFT tapping video to rewire your brain for money, wealth, abundance, and success. I look forward to seeing you in my next tapping video or in the Wealth by Design workshop. Until next time, take care and bye for now.